I have a DJI Mini 3 Pro in my hands. I spent exactly a year with this drone. I would like to share with you today my opinion about the experience of using this drone. With this drone I was able to capture excellent footage from European countries such as Spain, Italy, Portugal, and also Germany. I would like to say that this compact drone can shoot video in excellent quality. All the footage that you see on your screens is shot on a DJI Mini 3 Pro. It was important for me to buy a drone that weighs no more than 250 g and shoots video in excellent quality, preferably 4K, and DJI Mini 3 Pro became the best solution since this small drone has all the combinations that I need. Since in Europe there are very strict laws on flying with drone, so this weight criterion was very important for me. The drone can shoot in 4K 60 fps horizontal and vertical positions, which allows you to conquer Instagram Reels as well as YouTube in a horizontal position. What I don't like about this drone is night shooting, because at night too little light enters the camera matrix. The frame turns out to be too dark, and even with evening lighting, such as sunset and all that, the frames are not good and clear enough. This situation was corrected in DJI Mini 4 Pro as it installed a new updated matrix, which allows you to shoot in good quality in low light and also in the dark. These drones DJI Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3 Pro are not very different. If you don't have enough budget, then I recommend buying DJI Mini 3 Pro as it is still relevant at the moment. If you have the funds and it is very important for you to shoot in evening light, then DJI Mini 4 Pro will be the best solution for you. If you want to do aerial photography professionally, then the best option would be DJI 3. It is currently the most advanced drone at an affordable price. Let's talk about the drone itself. As I already said, the drone is compact. It will fit even in your pocket. You just take it out in the right place, launch it, and after a few seconds it takes awesome shots for you. The kit includes a DJI RC remote control without a screen. I use the remote control in combination with an iPhone. I think this is the best solution since I didn't really like the light transmission and viewing angles on the remote control with the monitor. The drone body is made of good quality plastic, which allowed me to save the drone in several cases. The first was when my drone was attacked by a bird of prey. In this case, only the front beams on the drone broke and replacing it took me no problems. The second time, my drone was in Italy when I wanted to remove the lock. The drone either fell into a jammer or into a geo zone because my drone began an uncontrolled descent and the drone began to land straight into a tree. From the tree, it had already fallen onto the asphalt where my stabilizer had already broken. I had to order it myself and replace it again. Now it functions very well fine. The most important thing I wanted to say is the batteries. One battery lasts for about 20 to 25 minutes of flight depending on weather conditions. It is very important to have 3 additional batteries, since 20 minutes of flight is very little. First, you need to fly to the desired location. Second, you need to have time to set up the drone with manual camera settings, as well as remove the shot and return, and it may not work out the first time. Therefore, you will always have to be prepared for the second run, and an additional battery will not hurt you because charging one battery takes about 40 minutes, and while you are charging it you may miss a moment. In this short video I would like to share with you only my opinion as well as operating experience over the year. This drone has become so dear to me that I called it Juju. DJI Mini 3 Pro is a great drone. If you are a beginner and want to learn how to fly a drone, then this is the best drone to learn how to fly.